cruised up this little narrow track in the ute. Sort of dead-ended here, I think. Maybe you can park up in there. Which actually looks like a bit of a campsite. Yeah, but the beach is just over this crest, I'm pretty sure, over the sand dune, so go and chuck a line in up there. Oh, look at that. Just found a campsite. How cool is that? Right next to the ocean. You'd probably get a few pinstripes or some low-hanging branches. If you're going to drag something up here like a van or a camper trailer. It'd have to be a pop top, I'd reckon, but like mine, I reckon mine to get up there. That's good to know. Put that on the map for next time. Yeah, anyway, hopefully get to the beach and figure out what's going on from there. Going pretty light, just grabbed a few bits of fishing gear and some bait. I've got the rod holder that goes on the beach. What do I do with the keys? Left them in the car. And my ancient surf rod that hasn't seen the light of day for quite some time. What could go wrong? Let's head up this way and see what happens. It's about mid-tide, I think, and rising. So there should be a bit of beach there. Never been here before. Got no idea what to expect. Oh, I can see a hole already. Bit of a gutter there. Crikey. Steep. Ah, that white stuff. Straight out the front there, I reckon I'll be throwing it into that. Wow. It's a fairly hectic stretch of beach. I don't want to jump in that water too quickly. Ah, there's tyre tracks on here. Someone's driven onto the beach. Didn't know you could do that down here. Alright, just running with a couple of pillies. I've got a snatcher type rig down to a reasonably heavy star sinker. Hopefully it's heavy enough, because I didn't bring anything else. I only brought another one the same size. Looks like she's going to be getting thrown around out there. I just tried to wind this up and the reel was struggling, so I don't know how this is going to go really. At least there's no wind. Absolutely no wind at all down here. That's dunes protecting it all, which is great. A little bit bigger. I think I've got enough for a feed, so the guy can go back, grow up a bit bigger. God, sit there for about a minute and getting smashed. Check. Might even fill it up, that small one, and use it for bait. Fresh bait. Two for one. Yeah, they can both go back as well. Maybe this is a fishing channel after all. There you go, it's the sea eagles coming back. Got an affiliation with these guys. See if he wants it. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. No, backed out. Go for it, buddy. Gotta be quick. There he goes. Yes. What a legend. Oh, it was a fun little sesh. Didn't get any bites on the salmon fillets. I think I'll head back. Sun's about to drop down and need to clean this guy up and oh, hey, have a beer. It's on the cards, I reckon. Perfect eating size, that. I think I'll just whip some fillets off him and I don't know, maybe a fish taco. Not sure. Figure that out when we get back. I think I'll come back in the morning as well. Went to high tide at just after sunrise, so most of this beach will be covered. Not sure where the accessible holes will be. Oh, look at that. Just about to lose my bucket and all my fish. Anyway, I'll check back in at camp. Crikey, this is hard work. That's what remains. It's dinner. Just cut them into bite-sized pieces. Just crumb them, do something like that, fry them in a pan. Yum. The pelicans aren't around, and I would have got a feed. I'm not sure where they are. I'll give them a second. Yeah, so a bit of fish. Gonna make up some fish tacos, I reckon. We'll just coat it in this Tandaco Southern Fried Chicken coating mix. I've heard it just keeps popping up. People, I don't know why, but I've seen it like 5 times in the last few weeks. People keep talking about it. Never used it before, so I'll give that a go. So a bit of egg on the fish. Chuck a bit of that stuff in there. Mix it all around. I'll make up some tacos. I've got some tortillas there left over, so I'll use those. Bit of salad. Job done. Get into it. All right, looking good. Got the egg, fish, Tandaco's in a bag. Just warm the pan. Got tacos. Got some green stuff to put in there. Let's crank on. Alright, we got sizzling. Took a bit of time. I had to reset the induction because I was using wet fingers to press buttons and doesn't like that apparently. So I moved to the bigger hot plate and now we've got some sizzling. It's just starting to crank, so hopefully they'll be cooked up in 5 or 10 and then we'll start assembling the taco. I reckon they're looking pretty good, if not a little bit burnt, but you get that. I reckon they'll jump over to assembly in a second. What I don't have, and I'm kicking myself, is any special sauce, like a bit of Kewpie or maybe some chipotle mayonnaise or something. Would have gone the bomb on here. I've only got tomato sauce, but I reckon that's like not going to do it, so we're just going to stick with a bit of lemon. Call it good. Look at that, not bad. Ocean to plate in a couple of hours. Alright, let's have a bit of a taste test. Probably quite hot. Yeah, that seasoning's bloody good. It's almost, yeah, a bit of KFC vibes going on there. That's good squishy. Yeah, everyone, the old Australian salmon doesn't get a good rap, but I don't mind it. Especially if you bleed it straight away, fresh, and eat it straight away. Pretty good. Only getting these. Cheers. I just cruised up to the main campsite area. There's a little turnaround bay at the end here. It's the following morning now. I did a bit of a cruise up here yesterday and I noticed there's a beach access spot. So I'll give that a go this morning and see what the beach is like down there. I just got the bait again and the surf rod. So probably won't keep any of the salmon now. I'll just catch and release, but hopefully we can get a few on the board and yeah, head back to camp, cook up a bit of brekkie, then shoot through to the next adventure. Check in soon. It's a nice looking gutter just over there. Give that a go. About the same size as yesterday. Yeah, I'm not really after a feed. Let them go. I'd wrapped the sinker around the reel and I was about to head off down the beach because I to give up, and I thought, nah, the worst places to be in the world, stick it out for a bit longer. Look at that. Caught a fish. Fish gods are smiling.